What's up, guys? This is Andres. I'm here working off to work on my bike. Today I just received my rims that wheel set that I ordered. And you can see these, I got some more Velletas, but these are with disc brakes, the disc hubs. I was missing the disc hubs before. So, ordered a set of those from bikesdirect.com. And then from Jensen USA, I ordered a set of new tires. Continental X Kings. I think it's for cross country. And I'm going to install them now. Let's just see how that goes. Oh, and I also, oops, getting a little dark there. If you can see those, these are Clarke's hydraulic disc brakes. I'm going to try to put these on tonight. I'm going to do the wheel set right now, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys. Thank you. Sorry about the lighting. How you doing, everyone? I'm here at Buescher State Park, Smithville, Texas. It's a beautiful park. Just going for a ride. Hit the trails earlier. It was kind of a disaster. But I'm here now. Road. Just been riding the trails. I think it was the Windy Run trail here at Buescher State Park, and I've been recently upgrading my bike, and it's been a little frustrating, but kind of want to show you some of the stuff I've done. As you guys can see, I have added disc brakes. These are Clarke's disc brakes. Pretty easy to install. They're a little ghetto. If you can see, I have them wrapped up in zip ties. Have them down here in the front too. They cost about 22 bucks each. That was a steal, to tell you the truth, for hydraulic disc brakes. Moving on, these are these new tires I have. They are Continental X Kings 2.4. Very nice ride. I've totally changed the handling of this bike completely. The other addition I did, let me take around this other side. I installed a new cassette, a Shimano, I believe it's an Acera cassette, 9-speed cassette Hyperglide. Very, very nice. I will be replacing that derailleur, and I will be replacing this derailleur and this crank set. That's going to be the next video. Also, I installed a little handy dandy pump and a nice little bag here in the bottom. And that's all I've done to my bike recently. And this is the Trek 4500 build. Oh, I've also installed brand new shifters.